How to send Google Drive link, or how to upload on Google Drive and send the link, or you can share it by link. So guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go to the Google Drive. Just open the Google Drive or Gmail ID with your account. Now you can just click on this option and go to the Google Drive. Click on Drive, then Google Drive will be open. So now I will show you how you can upload and share the links. Okay, you can share folders, you can share the any files like Excel file, PDF file, and you can create the new folder from here. You can upload file from here, you can upload folder from here. If you want to create the any sheet like Google Sheet, documents, you can create the new, and you can, it is automatically save here when you create it. Okay, so after that, how you can share it? So first you can upload, you can also upload files from computer. Just click on and then select the file and it will be upload here. I will show you. Just go to the file upload and select file where you have. I just select this image and just open it. So it will be upload. The upload is done. The file name is car. So just refresh, or you can search by name here, or go to the recent. You will see this file. I just uploaded. Recent means I just operate this file. Or you can also search like photo and image, so file type, so you will see the file. Okay, so now how you can share it? So there is a many option you can share. Just select the file. So select the file. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can share via links. Just select the file and click on this link option, get the link, and here just change the restriction to anyone with this link, and make it viewers only. Don't make it editor. Okay, just make the viewers, because make you editors, that means people can edit your file, delete your file. So just keep it as a viewer. Make here you have to select anyone with this link, and just you can copy this link. Now you can send this copy link to email, to message, to WhatsApp, Messenger, wherever you can send this link. So anybody can click on this link to whom you send, and they can view your file. That is how you can share file and folder while link on Drive. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.